Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about the schema validation in the React application using the Zod. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the Zod. Just copy this, go to the terminal and install this. Okay, so it's pretty much very good library, right? So let's go and add the code. So here we have the schema validation. So let's add this component. Let's comment this component over here and let's drag and drop. Yeah, this is updated. So let's try to run this. Okay, so npm run start. Okay, so let's suppose I'm adding one digit, phone number to be this and email to be this. Okay, let's try to submit this. Name must be at least 2 characters long. String must be contain at least 10 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then this removed because unless 2 characters. So I'm going to add this 2 characters. And if I go to the F12, okay, let's submit this. And here you can see that the form data is now valid. And this is a name, phone, and the email. So now you can send this information to the API and do the rest of the stuff. Okay, let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here we go with this one. So basically ZOD, what exactly it is? So it's basically the schema validation. So you can validate your data, form data, or anything with the help of this Zod npm package, and it's very much popular. If I go to the npm Zod, then you will get to know npm Zod, right? So here we go with this one, how much popular the package is. So you can see that the number of downloads, so that means it's pretty much good, so you can install this package, right? So let's dive in the code level. React and the use state from the React, and then we have the import z from the Zod. Define your JSON schema using the Zod, like name, phone, and the email. I have add the validations, right? Now we have the form data. So by default, name, phone, and the email should be empty. Okay, so errors also set errors use state empty array object, empty object, right? And here we have a handle change whenever we do something on the input fields. So we will set the form data with the name and its value. Okay, next we have a handle submit. So where we are when we click on the button of the submit, so here we are schema dot parse dot form data, validate the form data against the schema, and if it is valid then set errors to. If something goes wrong, then we are going to just, if the validation fails, set the error state. So here I'm going to set the error state and getting the error dot message. Okay, and the path, whether it's to be a name, if name and the path, it will come like this is this is a phone number and this is the error message. So this is how the error has been set, right? And this is the form basically handle submit, and where we have the div that is for the input. Okay, then we have a phone, then we have the email. Okay, and that's it. Okay, the components end, and here we are showing the errors if error is there in the span with color red. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.